I want you to make this Excel diagram till this point, from A till N till 11. I want you to be able to make the exact diagram exactly like this. Okay, this is the goal of this exercise. Okay, so let's to get to Microsoft Excel, click on Start, click on Programs, click on Microsoft Office Excel 2003. Okay, if this right thing, you just close this right thing. Okay, now you need to start making the diagram. First, why don't you save it first so that you don't make the mistakes. Okay, desktop. Okay, what do you want to name it? Gap analysis document. Gap analysis version 1. Please always leave spaces. It increases the readability of the name. Okay. So let's start making it. Effect list that you have identified is will make a border. Let's learn how to make a border. Let's say you want to make a border around 5-6 cells or 20 cells or 100 cells. Okay, then you first select those cells around which you want a border. Now you have selected all those cells. What you do is you go to this button, click on the blue arrow button, and just click this thing to make the border around the area. Okay, and effect is, yeah. If you see this, can you press escape? Yeah. If you see this whole applicant interview management business requirements is written in G3. Can you show him G3 how it is? Can you go up just to show this is G? Can you go up? No. Just keep the cursor there. This is G. Can you show 3?
Yes, row 3.
Yeah. See, G is highlighted and 3 is highlighted. Can you go to G and show that it is highlighted? See, G is written here. That's fine. Can you go up? It is right. No, don't click anywhere. Otherwise, the focus will be lost. Yeah. G is highlighted. Just show G is highlighted. 3 is also highlighted. So that means it is G3.
Right.
Okay. And this is what is written in that cell. Okay. It looks like it is written in the HJKLMN, but it is not written there. It is written in the G3 cell. Okay.
Right.
So we need to type it in the G3 cell in that diagram also. So let's go there. Can you press Z? Control Z. Yeah. To enter something in the cell, just get out of this thing, please. To enter it something in the cell, just highlight the cell and start typing. So click on G3, which is G3. G3. Now start typing. Press enter. So it is in G3. Right. So you want I think this is short of what it is written there. So you want to copy the contents from there this time. To copy the contents of a cell, first highlight the cell. Don't do that. Just get out of this cell itself. Yeah. To copy the contents of that G3 cell, first highlight G3. Okay, that's what you highlighted. It will start showing in the top, right here. Copy it from here. Yeah, copy it from here. It will help. If you have selected the thing, you can click copy, or you can also press Control C to copy. Go to where you want to paste it. Highlight the cell. Highlight the cell. It is then click paste. Okay. So you can see the entire contents got pasted there. Okay. So you want to start working on the shuffling of the columns. Like you want to make A small. A small, right? Let's make A small. To make A small, the column A small, just click. Look at this. The cursors, you just take it off this place. The cursor is usually like this. You know this what you call it, this four-sided thing, this cross. You bring it to A and B separator line. See, the cursor has changed to a little thin line. When the cursor changes to a little thin line, at that point, hold it by the left arrow, and then take it left or right to decrease or increase the size, like this. You want to decrease it even further? You can do that. Okay. Press F8, please. Okay, now it's recording. Press F8 again to stop recording, to pause it, और रिकॉर्ड ही कर दो सारा.
Okay.
ऐसे थोड़ा साथ में बोल सकते हो, now I'm filling this thing in, I'm gonna make it blue, ऐसे बोल सकते हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा बोल दो.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, right now I'm just trying to fill the colors in the diagram that I'm trying to make.
Okay.
So from cell B1, B2 to N whatever. So I'm trying to fill the color in there. I just went selected it, and then I right clicked on it, went to the format cells. There were different categories: number, alignment, font, border, patterns. I went to the border or patterns, I believe, and then you go to select the color that you want. And this is my favorite actually. I'll go with this, and I just clicked it, and now I've got the color. So let's see what it looks like.